Yardangs are geological formations characterized by their distinctive appearance of elongated ridges, sculpted cliffs, and undulating dunes. These extraordinary landforms are primarily found in arid and semi-arid regions, where the relentless forces of wind and water have shaped the landscape over millions of years. The name Yardang is derived from the Uyghur language, meaning steep bank or hill. These formations are typically composed of soft and easily eroded materials, such as sandstone or siltstone. Through the process of deflation, where wind removes loose sediment particles, the more resistant layers are left behind, creating the unique ridge-like structures. The majestic beauty of Yardangs lies in their intricate patterns and striking colors. Layers of sediment, deposited over countless ages, are exposed in vertical or tilted orientations, showcasing a vibrant palette of reds, oranges, and yellows. Stretched across vast expanses, these geological wonders immerse visitors in an otherworldly experience. While Yardangs are commonly associated with desert environments, there is another fascinating variation known as aquatic Yardangs. As the name suggests, these formations occur in areas where water plays a vital role alongside wind erosion. In aquatic environments, such as coastal regions or the remnants of ancient lakebeds, water shapes the soft sediments into whimsical and picturesque formations. Aquatic Yardangs often exhibit smoother contours and fascinating, surreal shapes, resembling wave-like structures or elongated hills. This unique convergence of water and wind creates a truly mesmerizing sight. The study of Yardangs not only offers captivating visual experiences but also provides valuable insights into the geological history of our planet. By analyzing the varying layers and sediment compositions, scientists can unravel clues about past climates, ancient river systems, and the region's tectonic activity. As nature's masterpieces, Yardangs hold a certain mystique and allure. Their presence serves as a reminder of the ever-changing face of the earth and the awe-inspiring power of natural forces. Whether you are a geology enthusiast, an intrepid explorer, or simply someone seeking a profound connection with nature, wandering through the enchanting realm of Yardangs is an experience that will leave an indelible mark on your soul.